Hey guys, so in this tutorial, we're going to go over our geometry vocabulary glossary. So this project is actually very easy. This is the reason why it's the first project of the year. So you have two options. One, you can use this Google slide. Here is your title. Make sure that you guys put your name. So Doc Brown. What's your period? Master period. And then just go on and read the directions. So geometry has many vocabulary terms that are essential to a complete understanding of the subject. Below is a list of terms that will be used throughout this geometry course. Please define each of these terms using the following process. Write the definitions found on www.mathopenref.com. Copy the picture of the vocabulary word from the PowerPoint on Google Classroom or the one from Math OpenRef. Find a real-world illustration that matches the term. Explain how the illustration represents the term using the language of the definition. The final step will be a class presentation where we will do a gallery walk and people will leave comments, likes, and suggestions to help you create a good resource foldable for the unit ahead. So here are your words. There are 15 of them. What is expected on every single page? So you'll need a title page, which is slide 1. Each word is going to have its own page. So all of them have their own page. You're going to have a mathematical picture, meaning if it's a dot, it's a dot. If it's a line, it's a line. And then give me a real life interpretation of the word in a sentence. So I think a point is like the tip of a pen because it is a single location. Something as easy as that. I think a road is like a line because it extends forever. Ooh, super easy, barely an inconvenience. So this, then you're going to, this will follow the rubric for the project found in your student agenda. I have copied it on the following page as well. So here is your rubric on how I'm going to be grading you on that. Now, if you don't want to use a Google slide, that is okay. All you have to do is grab 2 pieces of paper. It could be blank printer paper, or it can be, not line paper. Give me, a little bit more creativity than that. And what you're going to do, you're going to take your piece of paper and you're going to fold it like a hamburger. So complicated. So complicated. So fold it like a hamburger. Hamburger. And then you're going to fold it again so that you can cut or rip this off. So don't, if you like use your nail, you guys can make it easier to cut it in half. Ah, so satisfying. And then rip. Raw. Then take those 2, put them on top of each other, and then you're going to fold it like a hamburger again. Hamburger. And then I fold it the other way to make it a little easier for me to cut out. Actually, or you can just leave it like this. Now, you can staple these, staple, 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 and you have a little book. So the first page, this way. First page is going to be your title. And then inside you'll have one word. So point, line, line segment, ray, and blah, 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 blah. All right, super easy. 2 pages of paper, fold it like a hamburger, rip, fold it like a hamburger again. Don't rip it so that you guys can just go click, 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 and boom, there is your little booklet. So that's if you want to do a physical copy. If you don't want to do a physical copy, here is the slides that you guys can use. Now, please don't just write, all this stuff. Use Google Images, and start like copying and pasting a couple of pictures that go along with points of intersection, with rays, line segments, lines, whatever you guys need. And then I should give you guys a day that this is due. So it's super easy, guys. It shouldn't take you more than a couple of minutes to get it done. The hardest part is probably just finding the definitions. And I give you guys most of them anyways. All right, take care. Hopefully you guys do a good job. Bye-bye.